you talk to in China?
I don't need to report to the Senate President, Mr. President.
You have a
Ayan
duty
na.
to report what you do as a senator
Ito pala
to
si
this
Trillanes ang may
chamber.
ano dito
And
sa
in fact,
China eh.
You have a duty to notify the office of the Senate
Tapos kung
President
sino-sino
when you
na lang
leave this country to go
pinagbibintangan.
abroad.
But I did
And
not.
the only time that I have authorized you is one time. I do not know how many times you have been to China. My understanding is you have been to China.
Tudong ano
talking to
niya,
the
oh,
Chinese
tudong
government for 6 times already.
pagtatakip
Yes.
sa sarili.
And I
And that
did
you
not.
have met them 15 or 16 times.
Ayun,
For what
huli ka na,
reason?
boy.
We do not know. Are you
Huli ka na
becoming
sa
a fifth
akto.
columnist
Ikaw
of the
pala yung
Chinese
laging
in this
punta ng
country?
China.
The Senate
Isuplong ang
President is
ating
not
ano, ha.
able to,
Nawala na yung ano natin.
Channel talks
Carbon
and I'm not
Sol.
obliged in any way.
Tama ba yun?
You have a duty to inform the
No,
people.
I'm not,